इंटरमीडिएट साल अव्वम व दुव्वम के नतीजों का ऐलान हो चुका है। वो तमाम तलबा और तालिबात जिन्होंने इम्तिहानात में कामयाबी हासिल की है, वसीला उर्दू टीवी की जानिब से उनको मुबारकबाद। खुसूसन अलहबीबा जूनियर कॉलेज की तालिबात की खिदमत में मुबारकबाद कि उन्होंने जिला और रियासत में इम्तियाजी मुकाम हासिल किया है।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I would like to congratulate my beloved students who scored wonderful marks than compared to corporate colleges. I would like to say that one of my student, Kumari Divya, has scored 469 out of 500 marks. This is, I think, state rank. It may be top level, I think. In junior MSc, Kumari Sheikh Shaiba, she scored 467 marks out of 500. And in MSc, Sheikh Shaiba, her score is in Commerce 96 and Economics 95 and Maths 100 out of 100 and second language 99, English 85. In senior MPC, Kumari M. Husna Khanam, she scored 959 out of 1000. Kumari S. Reshma Khanam, she scored 938 out of 1000 marks. These are wonderful. In junior MPC, SP Reshma Khanam, 470 out of 470, she got 446 marks. These are very wonderful marks. Like this, our student has scored wonderful marks. Today we are observing that our strategy, the parents of strategies, they are willing to join their children in corporate sector. But our student proved that they scored more than marks who are getting corporate colleges. Most of the parents are migrating to Vijayawada and Guntur and other in Hyderabad, other places for good marks. We proved that our college and my student, my beloved student, has proved that they are more better than who joined in Vijayawada and Guntur and etc. I think I request the parents, don't go out of Kadapa. We are providing very much education, we are fantastic education, we are like education to the students and providing very tough security to the especially girl students. So our aim is to provide, to uplift our community people or those who are big preferred position and those are not in position to uplift their children due to lack of financial status, lack of financial hurdles. Those who are not in a position to study their children, I am here to provide free education. Those who are orphans or needy people or poor people, I am extending a helping hand. Join your children in my college to provide a better education. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
చెప్పండి.
ఈ దినము శుభదినము. మా అమ్మాయి కాలేజ్ ఫస్ట్ వచ్చినందుకు స్టేట్ 11th ర్యాంక్ సాధించి నేను గర్వపడుతున్నాను. చైతన్య నారాయణ కాలేజ్ దీటుగా అల్హాబీబా సంస్థ డైరెక్టర్ అక్బర్ ఖాన్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో మా పాప మొదటి ర్యాంక్, కాలేజ్ ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంకు మరియు స్టేట్ 11th ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది. చాలా కృతజ్ఞతలు. అధ్యాపకులకు కాలేజ్ సిబ్బందికి పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతూ సంతోషిస్తున్నాను.
मेरा नाम SP गयाज अली खान और मेरी बच्ची का नाम SP रेशमा खानम। मेरी बच्ची को अलहबीबा कॉलेज में छोड़ने के बाद मेरी बच्ची अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई और हमारे अकबर खान साहब और कॉलेज की स्टाफ, प्रिंसिपल, जो भी लेक्चरर हैं, उन सबका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। मेरी बच्ची बहुत से हद तक रैंक ले हुई है, मार्क ले हुई, हमको बहुत खुशी हुई। और हमारे तरफ से दूसरे बच्चों को, हमारे दोस्तों के भाना को, बेटियां को, सबको ये कॉलेज में जमाने की कोशिश करेंगे। ये कॉलेज को और डेवलप करेंगे।
Good evening, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself to you. I am Husna from Alhabeeba Degree College, Junior and Degree College, and here my father, Khader Hussain. I studied in Narayana first year, in my inter first year, I felt pressure, my mind felt pressure there. So I came here in Alhabeeba Junior College. So I felt very happy that here there is no stress, and all the lecturers and principal madam and our correspondents are helping us to study with relief, and they are supporting us and they are encouraging us to study and in all the other curriculum activities. And here there is a lot of security for girls, especially for girls, and I felt proud that I have studied here, and I wish who are seeing this should also come forward and take admissions in this college, so that their daughters become a good, their daughters will have a bright future.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. My name is Shaiba, and he is my father. My father name is Sheikh Dawood. I'm very happy to study in Alhabeeba College. At first I had joined in Sri Chaitanya College, but there is no security for girls, especially here. Good security for girls. I feel very proud, and here Islamic education too is there.
I am Reshma. I am daughter of the Sheikh Mahabub Basha, and I got 938 marks. First, I would like to convey my best sincere thanks to our chairman sir P. Akbar Khan. First, I am joined in intermediate first year in Narayana Junior College, and I feel very inconvenient there, and I feel very stressed. Then I joined in Alhabeeba Junior College, and I feel here very relief, and I enjoyed my studies. Our chairman sir and our lecturers support a lot, and here tough security for girls, and I feel very proud.
एक मिनट.
Senior MPC SM Husna 949 out of 1000. Senior MPC S Reshma 938 out of 1000. MPC Junior SP Reshma Khanam 446 out of 470. Junior CEC P Divya 469 out of 500, top 11 rank in Andhra Pradesh. Junior MEC Sheikh Shaiba 467 out of 500. इन तमाम तालिबात की खिदमत में एक बार फिर मुबारकबाद।